Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
This video shows the only reliable way to use Google Translate on YouTube videos. You must rely on YouTube captions to translate audio into text. Start by confirming captions exist or enabling auto-generated subtitles in settings. Use a modern browser or the YouTube app on phone or desktop for best results. Ensure video language detection is correct when captions are auto-generated. If captions are missing, ask the uploader or enable community contributions when available. Open the YouTube video and play it to access controls at the bottom. Click the settings gear icon, then choose subtitles to enable captions. If no subtitles appear, enable auto-generated captions in the subtitles menu. Next, choose subtitles again and select auto-translate from the language list. Scroll or search the language list to pick your desired language. YouTube will use Google Translate to display translated captions on screen in real time. Auto-translate quality depends on the original caption accuracy and source language. If translations are poor, try switching to manually uploaded captions when available. If translation options are missing, open the three-dot menu and choose Show Transcript to access text. Copy transcript text and paste into Translate. Google Com as a fallback method. Adjust playback speed or seek to match captions with audio for better comprehension. Remember that automatic translation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.